everyone, this is Lily from Sun Team. Today we're very glad to introduce our company and our products. First, we would like to make a brief introduction of our company. Sun Team has focused on leather goods since 2011, and we mainly produce leather wallets, leather handbags, and other small leather accessories. Now we have become a professional supplier of OEM and ODF service for many famous brands all over the world. Our factory is in Bangladesh and Ethiopia. Import from Bangladesh and Ethiopia, labor cost is more competitive and the importer can supply the duty-free. We also have Italian management and a technician who has 30 years of leather goods experience, allow us to identify and export and search the best quality Italian leather for you. Today, I would like to introduce this non-zipper wallet. Style number is 977. This leather wallet is made of goat leather, goat Tamponato. This leather is soft and looks a little shiny. We also can change other leather to make these products, such as cowhide leather. I would like to introduce several of our cowhide leather: Tamponato, Abalux, Donaro, and Adrio. First is Tamponato and Abalux. Both are vegetable leather. Vegetable leather is eco-friendly, and Abalux leather smells very good. And Abalux and Adrio both already passed the LWG certified. We also would like to introduce sheep leather, such as sheep lapa. Different with cowhide leather, sheep skin is more smaller than cow leather, and this kind of sheep leather can use for small leather goods and small bags. Sheep leather is more soft and very flexible. Genuine leather wallet is a classic style which is suitable for men and women. MOQ for this style is 100 pieces per color. FOB price is $9.95 USD based on sheep lapa leather. Okay, now I would like to introduce this wallet in details. This wallet is fashionable in Europe, America, and all over the world. This style is with generous, simple appearance and feeling. Non-zipper around style is designed for you to keep your cash light and easy accessories. There are 12 credit card slots and it's enough for you to put all your necessary cards. And you can see there are also 2 cash pockets to put your cash. And then in the middle, there's a zipper pocket. You can put all your coins inside. And there are also 2 rooms to store your banknotes and cash. And you can see the quality and the good stitching and the surround color is matched with the leather. We also can put RFID blocking to cover the whole wallet to block all RFID scanners and readers. Sun Team has advanced technology and rich experience in the workmanship and design of leather goods. You can have confidence in trusting us to produce leather goods. If you have any requirements, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for your watching.